Yes, now we can discuss about basic fundamentals we should learn being a developer, software developer. That is we are discussing. This topic is that my name is Ganesh. I'm having around 25 years of IT experience, especially in programming and all this. My YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. That is SEEYOUR NEEDS. See Your Needs. So now we are discussing about the good topic, that is what a software developer has to learn, in which way systematically he has to learn about all the logics in any programming. It may be Java, J2EE, EJB, Struts, Hibernate, Spring Framework, whatever it may be. How to learn, and suppose if you are getting a chance as a developer means basic logics you should learn. But theoretically, you know very well regarding Java and all these things and C++ in your BTech time and all these things, you will learn very well. But logic behind that logic means suppose you are working in a being a software developer in any company means they will give one entry module, otherwise one modify entry, modify, delete, view, print. These are the five mantras in every developer should learn, that is entry, modify, view, entry, modify, delete, view and print. These five modules and these five things if you learn, it is easy to you to sustain as a good developer. That is most important. You need not search for the logic. Once if you know all these five mantras, that is entry, modify, delete, view, print, these five mantras, if you know very well, in any language, it may be C language or C++ or Java, EJB or Struts, whatever it may be. If you learn these five mantras, you will be successful in successful developer, definitely in any software company. So how to learn those things? What it is suppose you are doing, for example, I am saying one language, you can select one language, that is Java language. In that Java language, by learning entry, modify, delete, view, print means what we have to do? First go to Google and search for entry module, Java entry module. You type it, it will come. You can select the code and copy it in a notepad. Notepad in computer, notepad is there. Copy it in notepad. Then you study that. What are the commands are there? Those commands you can search in Java also. By that you can learn that what is the entry module, what are the commands are there in that. The set of commands is nothing but one program. Likewise, first if you entry module, how to do entry? That is all the same syntax you have to read. Once if you read all the syntax, then you will have an understanding about entry module. So how to enter the entry module is nothing but enter the details. That's only. Enter the details and save in database. Only thing is entry module means enter the details and save in database. It may be MySQL or SQL or Oracle, whatever it may be. So how to enter and how to save, these things you should learn. So that means you can copy the in Google search engine, you can copy your entry module and study it theoretically. What is the command of particularly that particular entry module? What are the commands are there relating to Java, and what it will do? That command, what it will do? You can search in Google and you can settle it very well. By that you can do entry module programming very well. Likewise, modify, delete, view, print. And printing means once if you are retrieving the data information and um, putting into paper or otherwise particular file. That file you can print out later. Likewise. So first these five modules, if you know, entry, modify, delete, view and print. If you know all these things, modify is nothing but update. These 5 mantras, if you know for any type of language, you will settle very well in being a developer. That those 5 mantras, you should always, you should have one backup also, you should have a pen drive also, and you should have a personal folder also regarding these 5 logics. If you in your computer, it will be very easy. And another thing also I will say, you can have a personal folder with your name. In that, all these 5 mantras, that is entry, modify, delete, view, print, these 5 mantras logic coding, you can save in your personal folder. You can save your project manager also or team leader also. Sir, for logical searching is very, once if you give any task, I need not search for the logic. So that these 5 mantras, entry, modify, delete, view, print, these logics I copied and I searched in Google and I put it in one personal folder. This personal folder is only for picking up easily and doing it. If I do it likewise, once if you give any type of task, maybe relating to view or delete or print, whatever it may be, and then by seeing that logic, I can understand it very well and I can do it in time, so that I am preparing this. Once if you are having this personal folder preparation regarding these 5 mantras, entry, modify, delete, view, print, then you will be successful as as a developer in any type of IT industry without any doubt. Wishing you all the best.